Hello everybody and welcome to Sister Kids TV. We have a special show for you today. I'm so happy to be here because we have all these great toys to review and open and show you. And we're even going to have a special face revealing, so stay tuned. All right, what's going on here, girls?
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sister Kids TV. My name is Eliana and her name is Daniela. We are so excited because we are opening all these toys. And guys, the best part of today's video is we're doing a face reveal! Yay! Finally! You guys probably all been waiting for this moment. Let's bring the camera to our faces. Hi! We are so excited. So now that you can finally see us, we will be showing you all the toys we have today. So let's put them out. So we have our bubblies, we have a dig it, and we have some scrunchies that we're going to show you. We have so many things. But one thing to this video today is, guys, stay tuned to our Instagram. It'll be right here or in the description down below. And here is like a dig it that we dig it and it breaks open and the toy comes out. We have to find the toy in there. It's treasure. So that's really exciting. But the thing is, I'm going to be opening it in the Instagram video. So make sure you guys go check that out so that you won't miss it. So let's put that aside. Okay, well, let's get started. So I really want to start with the bubblies. That's the best thing here.
These are probably the cutest. Oh my god.
Super squishy and stretchy, and there's 3 hidden charms in it.
I think I already found 2. Look at that. I got a pink one and an orange one.
Let's cut them open.
Yay! I'm so
Careful with the squishy, don't cut it.
Okay, cut that on open.
Ooh, whoa!
Okay, so now we got
It's super sticky.
Whoa! Ooh, oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Okay, it's stuck in there. It does not want to come out.
Where does not want to come out.
Whoa!
So we went shopping and we found these and we said, you know what? We want these for video because they're just so cute. We needed to get.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it's time to look for the charms. So exciting.
Okay.
Look all around.
Oh God, I found one. I found an ice.
She found one.
Look, it's
That
like
was fast.
a heart lock. And I can't find it.
Okay.
Hey guys, look how cute that is. It's orange. Like, do you guys see that?
Oh, guys.
I found a butterfly, yeah. Guys, I think I found another one.
I have a butterfly.
Look, it's a key for our.
Oh no, where'd they put it?
lock.
Oh, the butterflies are here.
Okay, guys, I need to find one more.
Who will win the challenge? Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention it's a challenge. It's like a guy looking like this.
Ooh,
That was like so much fun with these playing with.
Hey, can I please touch it?
I mean, hey, can I please touch it? I mean, that looks like, cool. I mean, like, it looks so squishy. I just want to touch it. And then I took all the charms and I missed how squishy it's like a pillow. I slept with mine till it popped. Well, too heavy. So get off! She's silly. So squishy. Let's take a look at how stretchy this is. Ugh, super stretchy. Look at this. Let's stretch it. Whoa. Let's squish that cheeks over there. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's time to go to the next activity.
And who won that
toy.
game? Who won that game?
And Daniela won that game.
All right.
She found all of her charms. Okay, so again, I'm not opening mine because that will be for the Instagram. So here's Daniela's. Daniela, you can open it. Oh, that's so exciting. I mean, that's so exciting.
Okay, I need
So
a
much
bouncy
fun.
because it's gonna be pretty messy.
I want to watch. I want to watch.
Okay, guys, let's open this up. Ugh, it's stuck.
Guess what? What?
What?
We got it open.
Oh, wow. She got it open. Yay. I'm so excited.
Okay, so this one is what was on the front.
So that's the first thing you will see when you open it.
Yeah. And then you have these two
Utensils.
tools.
Or utensils.
So it comes with a brush and a little digger for digging in
Hammer.
that
It's
thing.
like a hammer.
Yeah. So now let's take out.
The final bar.
Oh,
Guess
no,
what?
It's
What?
not gonna come out. I got it out.
Yay! Everyone, hear the crowd say, yes! Open it up. Look at her bar, guys. It's so white.
Okay, guys, so I have a little water here because I thought if I dunk this in, then it would be even more easier. So let's dunk it in. Okay, so I'm also going to dunk in the top so it's a little bit easier again. Whoa! Guys, look at how easy it is now. Oh, whoa.
How about we flip sides now so that it's like,
Yeah.
doesn't get too hard anymore.
Just try to get this open because I really want to see
What is in there? Like, what in the world is in there? So let's take a look over here while she's getting some of that stuff out. Is this the things that we could get? I don't know. We're about to find out. So it looks like there's pyramids and our prizes would maybe be here. This looks like a necklace. Like a necklace right there. I don't know if you guys can see. And then like a little snake here and a river on top of that. And then like this person that, like a person wearing a crown from the olden days.
I found it, guys.
She found it. She found it. What is that?
What is this? I thought I got no
she
prize.
digged a lot.
Okay, I thought I got
Maybe
no
you
prize.
should use your brush to like brush
dig it up. Oh my goodness, guys! What is this?
Looks like a little.
Look at that, guys. Just
Wow.
kind of soak it up. There we
Wow,
go.
that's so cool.
Look at that. This is so cool. It looks like we found like a little like triangle diamond or something. Just gonna let that flow.
Look at that. It's like a little
look.
crystal.
Yeah.
Guys, do you maybe think that's from the olden days that they found? Maybe it's something super duper rare.
I want to clean it off a little bit.
Okay, well, while she's doing that, let's take a look at the last thing, these scrunchies.
Yeah.
We're super excited because these are actually really cute. I really like them. I will have for the first one is this one's actually, they look pretty thin, like plain gray one, which actually kind of matches me. I could totally wear it for today. Let me just put that in my hair. Let's see. Ooh, does it look good? It's really cute. Okay, so here's another one. And this one, love it. Now I could also put that in my hair too to match with it.
Okay, guys, so this is the last one that we will be sharing today. Look, it has like pink spots on it, and the rest of it that are not spots. And like
Here,
all
I
of
think
them.
these match her because of the black.
Yeah.
Put it
Really cute. Look at these.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll